If you suspect your horse is having a colic episode, you must first and foremost always contact your vet. It is always better to be safe than sorry. Colic is one of those things that really puts the fear in people because it's such an unknown thing. Like, what is the cause of colic? Now, I think there are a lot of very bad causes of colic, things that you can't fix through basic intervention of home care, etc., and prevention, because they're clearly, there's tumour growing. There might have been something in that horse's history that you knew nothing of, and it's a new horse. So what I would like to talk about is ways to make sure that what you're doing isn't going to contribute to having a colic episode, and that if your horse does show signs of colic and you've done everything that you know is right, then you can pretty safely say there might be something more serious going on and you need to get help. And colic is one of those things that I would always call the vet for anyway, if within an hour or two I didn't see an improvement. Your vet intervention does need to happen if it's that serious. Anything that improves gut health, anything that improves the diet, anything that improves the way the horse's functionality is, anything that improves their nervous system and the way they respond to stress is going to actually make sure that your horse is not going to have an episode of colic. So let's talk about colic.